we are Today we are going to start exercise 4.3 question 1. In this question you are to represent the linear equation in two variable on graph paper. That means on coordinate axis you are to represent. You are to draw the graph. That means you are to represent it on coordinate axis. As we are having linear equation in two variables, so we will use two axes, the coordinate axis, which are perpendicular to each other, right? So first of all, the equation is x plus y is equal to 4, right? So here, first of all, we will find out the solutions of this equation. सबसे पहले हम इस equation के solutions को find out करेंगे. How to find out solution? As we have done yesterday also. How to find out the solution? We can write here y is equal to 4 minus x, right? So let's put x is equal to 0. To make the graph, only two and more solutions we need. So two solutions are minimum. That means आपको two solutions चाहिए ही चाहिए इसके लिए. Okay, again here you have given an equation. आपको एक equation given है, आपको उसको represent करना है graph paper पे. उसके लिए हमें पहले उसके solutions चाहिए, right? We need to find out their solutions and minimum it should be 2. You can go further also. दो या दो से ज्यादा होते हैं तो ही आप ग्राफ बना सकते हैं, right? So first let's take x equal to 0. Yes, right, Purti. X equal to 0, then y is equal to 4, right? So our first solution is 0 1 0 4, sorry, 0 4. Yes, 1 3. Either you can put y equal to 0 also, or you can take x equal to 1, right? X equal to 1, x equal to 1, then y is equal to 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So another solution is 1 comma 3. You can find out other also, like x equal to 2, then y is also equal to 2. If you put x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, right? So the next one is 2 comma 2, right? Okay, then yes, 3 comma 1 also is solution, but we need only minimum 2 required. We need 2, or maximum आप कितने में भी जा सकते हैं. So I hope this is clear now. Let's make the table now. Let's make the table. Now we are having the solution 0 4, right? 1 3 and 2 2. ठीक है? X and Y. Let's make the table. Like this you will make the table. After finding out solution, you will make the table and you will write down like this: x0, y4, x1, y3, x2, y2. Like this you will make the table, right? So here you get the table. So now taking these points, we will represent it on coordinate axis, right? After making the table, we will represent these numbers on the coordinate axis. So let's take coordinate axis now. X dash represent the negative values. Similarly y and y dash, where y dash represent the negative values. This is the origin 0 0. This 1 2 3 4 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. You know how to plot? We are to plot these three numbers only, right? 1 2 3 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Here we have taken the numbers, we have taken the coordinate axis, right positive, left negative, upward positive, downward negative, like this, right? And we have to take equal gap. On your graph paper, there will be one unit box will be there, so you can take gap of that. So now let's plot the numbers now. First number is 0, 4. So that means x0, y4. This point is 0, 4, right? This point. This point is 0, 4. Another point 1, 3. X1, Y3. That is this point 1, 3. Next point 2, 2. This is 2, 2. 2, 2. Right? So, but what we have to do here, we have to make the graph. So, graph के लिए क्या करेंगे? Just join these 3 points like this. So, this line is the graph of equation x plus y is equal to 4. Right? If you have any query, you can ask. Now, I am going to share you also. Yes, we can take 40 also, Satvik. We can take 40 also. We can take 40 also here, but minimum is 2. You can make the graph with the 2 also. Suppose you are not having this 2 point. आपके पास सिर्फ 2 points हैं, ठीक है? So if you are having just these 2 points, then also you can make the line like this. You will get the same line. Okay. Then also you will get the same line if you just meet 2 points only. So minimum requirement is 2 only. कि आपको 2 solutions चाहिए. Then make the table and then just plot the numbers on graph paper, and then you will just join the points and you will get the graph, right? So now I'm going to share you a picture. Now I'm going to share you the image of this. You can see here. See, x plus y is equal to 4 given. Like this way you will do the question. Is this visible to you? Like this way you can do the question. X plus y equal to 4 is given here. Firstly, you will find out the solutions, right? I have taken x0 and 1. Then I got y is equal to 4 and 3, right? So, that means we are having 2 a minimum 2 आपको चाहिए. You can make the graph using 2 solutions also, and you can take more also. Okay, so here like this way you will do the question. आप पहले solutions find out करेंगे, then you will make the table, and then again I'm going to share you. See, this is the graph of the equation. Is this visible to you? Is this visible to you? Okay, this is the graph of the equation x plus y is equal to 4, right? So here we'll take, when we will take coordinate axis, make sure you are mentioning x, y also and x dash, y dash also. Okay, here. So I have plotted here point 0, 4 and 1, 3. Then I joined it and see, इस line पे जितने भी points आएंगे, that will be the solution of the given equation. Okay, इस equation के जो solutions हैं, वो पूरी इसी line पे lie करेंगे, this line पे. And if you are taking line, then don't forget to make the arrows also. Okay? Any query here? Good. So let's do the next question. Fourth part. Let's take it for this. Let's do the fourth part. Fourth part is of this exercise. Question is 3 is equal to 2x plus y. This the equation is given here. Okay. So also you can write down 2x plus y is equal to 3. So here y is equal to 3 minus 2x. Let's put x is equal to 0. Good. When x equal to 0, yes, 0, 3 is right. Then y is equal to 3. 2 into 0, 0. So 3 minus 0, 3. When x equal to 1, y is equal to 3 minus 2 into 1. 2 is equal to 1. So what are the solutions here? 0, 3. When x 0, y 3. When x 1, y 1. Right? Enough to. Now we will make the table. X, y when x 0, y 3. When x 1, y 1. Right? This is the table. Now using this table, we will represent this on the coordinate axis. X, y. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, like this. What was the first number? It was 0, 3. So x is 0 here and y is 3 here. So this point will be the 0, 3. This point. This point is 0, 3. Next, what was the next point? Next point was 1, 1. Yes, x1, y1. So this is x1, y1. This point will be the 1, 1. Now join this part, join these 2 points. No, Tanisha, it's not important that line graph should pass through origin. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं, it's not passing in this question it's not passing through the origin. You can see here. Okay. So now I'm going to share you a screen. See, this is the next equation. 3 is equal to 2x plus y. Here we got two solution, x0, y3, x1, y1. We just found the solution. Then we made the table. And then we will make the graph here. Right? So, firstly we will plot 0, 3, x0, y3. Then x1, y1, and we will join these 2 points. Then we will get the equation of, graph of linear equation in 2 variables, the given equation. Graph of given linear equation. That is 2x plus y is equal to 3. Right? Is there any query here? Let's start. Next question now. Question number 2. Question number 2. Give the equation of 2 lines passing through 214. Here you have given a point 214. How many more such lines are there and why? Here you have given a point 214 and you are to make the two equation, give the equations of 2 lines. मतलब इसकी 2 lines की equation बतानी है जो इससे pass करती हो. Right? Two 14 is given the point and you are to tell the equations of 2 lines from and passing through this point. It means कि वो दो लाइंस का 214 जो पॉइंट है वो उन टू लाइंस का क्या होना चाहिए, सॉल्यूशन. आर यू गेटिंग इट? कि आपको दो इक्वेशंस बतानी है जो इस पॉइंट से पास होती है 214 से. इसका मतलब 214 उस लाइन का क्या हो जाएगा, सॉल्यूशन. राइट. सो मतलब x हो 2, y 14. ऐसी आपको टू इक्वेशंस बतानी है. कैन एनीवन टेल द इक्वेशन? x2 y 14. 7x minus y equal to, very good, 7x minus y equal to 0. How did we form, how you have formed it? X minus y equal, okay, see, 7x minus y equal to 0 is right equation. How? If we put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 14, then 14 minus 14 equal to 0. That means 0 is equal to 0. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So that, guess this is the equation passing through this point. Right? आपको इक्वेशन बनानी है जिसका 214 जिससे पास होता हो. दैट मीन्स 214 उसका सॉल्यूशन होना चाहिए. सॉल्यूशन मतलब उसको सेटिस्फाई करना चाहिए. तो आपको ऐसी इक्वेशन बतानी है जिसमें अगर आप x को 2 रखते हैं, y को 14, राइट, तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड किसके इक्वल होना चाहिए, राइट हैंड साइड के. ओके. सो सेम second you can, yes, x plus y is equal to 16 also, right? X plus y is equal to 16, another equation. If you put x is equal to 2, y is equal to 14, so see, 16 is equal to 16, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Y minus x is equal to 12, very good. This is also an equation. Y minus x is equal to 12. Here y is given 14, x is given 2. So 14 minus 2 is equal to 12. So yes, this is also an equation passing through 214, right? So here, like this way, how many equations you can found? There is a question. How many more such lines are there and why? Yes, infinitely many. How infinitely many? See, you have given a point 214. आपको एक point given है. So as you know, through a point, how many lines can be taken? Infinite. इनफाइनाइट लाइंस आती हैं अगर एक पॉइंट से, ठीक है. सो दैट मीन्स आपके पास इनफाइनाइट लाइंस है, सो इक्वेशंस विल आल्सो बी इनफाइनाइट. So like this way you can find out infinite equations where x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 14. This was the question number 2. Is there any query here? Question number 3. Question number 3 is, if the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7, then find the value of a. Here you have given equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7 and its solution is also given 3, 4. 3, 4 lies on this graph. That means 3, 4 is the solution of this line. 3, 4 इस इक्वेशन इस लाइन पे लाई करता है, राइट. सो आपको बताना है व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ ए. अगर if 3, 4 lies on this equation, it means 3, 4 is the solution of this equation. Yes, right answer, Pranjal. 3, 4. That means you will put here x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4. Then left hand side will be equal to right hand side because 3, 4 is the solution. Right? 3, 4 is given कि वो इस लाइन पे लाई करता है. That means 3, 4 is the solution of the given equation. So that means अगर हम x को 3 लें, y को 4, तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड विल बी इक्वल टू राइट हैंड साइड. पुट कर दो इसमें x को 3, y को 4, y के प्लेस पे रख दो 4, x के प्लेस पे रख दो 3, राइट? Yes, you all are giving right answers. Very good. 4 into 3, 12 is equal to a multiply 3, 3a plus 7. 7 will be subtracted here. 12 minus 7 is equal to 3a. 12 minus 7 is 5. 5 is equal to 3a. That means a is equal to 5 upon 3. Right? Any query in this question? Question number 4 is, the taxi fare, please listen the question carefully. Taxi fare in a city is as follows, right? For the first kilometer, that means if you go by a taxi, then you get, you have to pay according to the, for the first kilometer, the fare is 8. First kilometer के लिए आपको pay करना होगा 8 rupees, right? For the first kilometer. And for the subsequent distance, it is rupees 5 per kilometer. For subsequent, for the first kilometer it's 8, for subsequent that means for all next kilometer, second के लिए भी 5, third के लिए भी 5, fourth के लिए भी 5, right? You are to pay 5 rupees per kilometer. Okay, first kilometer, अगर आप 1 किलोमीटर के लिए जा रहे हैं, you have to pay 8 rupees. ठीक है? फिर अगर आपने 2 किलोमीटर लिया तो कितना पे करना होगा? For 2 kilometer, how much you have to pay? For 2 kilometer, how much you have to pay? 13. Very good. First kilometer के लिए 8 and next के लिए 5, which will be 13. Good. For 3 kilometer, for first kilometer 8, second 5, third be 5, so it will be 18. Great. Very good, Sameer and Purti. Yes. So like this way we are to make the equation, taking the distance covered as x kilometer. आपको क्या लेना है? Total distance x kilometer. Total distance as you are to take x kilometer. And total fare you are to take y. Total fare you are to take y kilometer. Okay. So write a linear equation for this information and draw its graph. Okay, आपको इसके लिए एक linear equation लिखनी है, right? Yes, you are giving right answer. Let's do how to do it. So अभी हमने किया कि फर्स्ट किलोमीटर के लिए फेयर था 8, सेकेंड किलोमीटर के लिए हो गया 8 + 5, तो दैट मीन्स हम फेयर के अकॉर्डिंग इक्वेशन बनाते हैं. यहाँ पर टोटल फेयर कितना है y, तो हमें चाहिए टोटल फेयर. यहाँ हमने फर्स्ट किलोमीटर का फेयर लिया, फिर सेकेंड किलोमीटर, फिर थर्ड किलोमीटर. दिस इज फॉर थर्ड किलोमीटर. वी नीड टू मेक द इक्वेशन अकॉर्डिंग टू द टोटल फेयर. हमें टोटल फेयर चाहिए. टोटल फेयर कितना होगा? What will be the total fare here? You are giving the equation, but you are not telling how to form it. You are not telling total fare. Equation बनी कैसे? Total fare will be, see, for first kilometer it's 8, right? And for other kilometer it's 5. तो फर्स्ट किलोमीटर में कितना एक्स्ट्रा है? 3. 3 को अलग कर दो. ठीक है, फर्स्ट किलोमीटर में 3 रुपीज एक्स्ट्रा है, बाकी सब में कितने हैं? 5. सो सी टोटल डिस्टेंस x है. अगर 1 किलोमीटर का x है तो 5 किलोमीटर का कितना हो जाएगा? 5x, है ना? 1 किलोमीटर का फेयर अगर 5 है तो सॉरी x है तो 1 किलोमीटर का फेयर 5 रुपीज है, तो x किलोमीटर का फेयर कितना हो जाएगा? 5x. और पर लेकिन जो फर्स्ट किलोमीटर था उसमें 3 एक्स्ट्रा था, तो इसमें साथ में प्लस क्या कर देंगे? 3. ठीक है, इसमें भी देखो 5 + 3 5 प्लस 5 प्लस 3 मतलब 3 आपको एक्स्ट्रा करना पड़ रहा है, राइट? 5 प्लस 5 प्लस 3 like this way. So total fare will be 5x plus 3. 3 फर्स्ट किलोमीटर में एक्स्ट्रा है, और अगर हम सबका 5 लें तो 1 किलोमीटर का अगर 5 रुपीज है फेयर, तो x किलोमीटर का हो जाएगा 5x, लेकिन फर्स्ट वाले किलोमीटर में 8 था, हमने 5 लिया है, तो कितना रेस्ट बच गया? 3. So the equation will be 5y is equal to 5x plus 3. ठीक है, यहां से क्या हो जाएगा? y को उधर ले जाओ, माइनस कर दो, 5x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. This will be the standard form of the equation. 5x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. This is the standard form of the